The night train moved as if it were careful not to make too much noise, repeating a low, gentle sway as it traveled on. Outside the window, the boundary between day and night had already faded away, leaving only a deep indigo spreading endlessly. The cabin lights were dimmed, and the light leaking from the ceiling was pale, like starlight. The passengers were few, each sitting quietly with their own stillness resting on their knees. No one was in a hurry, and no one spoke of their destination. By the window seat, you leaned back against the seat. His side profile reflected in the glass seemed slightly distant from reality, as if separated from the day that had just passed. You did not try to remember why he had boarded this night train. The memory of buying the ticket, the sensation of passing through the ticket gate, all lay somewhere beyond the mist. Only the fact that he was here now felt certain. The sway of the train was steady, naturally aligning with his breathing. Inhaling, exhaling, swaying, moving forward. From down the aisle, the conductor slowly approached. The name tag on his chest read Shirakawa. Shirakawa did not ask for a ticket, he only gave a small bow in front of you. You're going to a far station. His voice was low, quiet, as if it melted into the night. When you nodded, Shirakawa said nothing more, and walked on toward the next car. Outside the window, small lights appeared and disappeared like scattered points. Whether they were towns, or stars, or perhaps signs of a dream, you did not think about it. Before long, the train began to slow down almost without a sound. Even the sensation of the brakes was gentle, careful not to disturb sleep. We will soon arrive at Yumamachi Station. The announcement felt as though it had been there, or perhaps not. Still, those words sank quietly into his chest. Stepping onto the platform, the air felt cool, wrapped in a comfortable silence. There were no people in sight, only soft footsteps echoing faintly. On the station sign, the name Yumamachi glowed gently. Strangely, it did not feel like a place he was visiting for the first time. You sat down on a bench and watched the night train depart. The train began to move again and dissolved into the darkness. In that moment, the weight resting on his shoulders quietly loosened. There was no need to be carried any farther. It felt like enough to have come this far. His body understood that. A small path leading deeper into the station was wrapped in a thin mist. With each step forward, his thoughts slowly grew quiet, and words became unnecessary. Here, there was no need to remember. No need to decide. Simply, he could let himself drift. His eyelids grew naturally heavy, and the scenery lost its boundaries. Yumamachi Station remained there quietly, never urging you onward. What the night train had carried was not a destination, but rest. Just as he was, you walked gently into a deep, peaceful sleep. There was no more swaying. No sound. Only a sense of safety, spreading quietly, like the night.